Here I've got HOMTOM HT16, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the phone dealer, that will be the first method, go to keypad and enter a secret code, which is *#, 06#. And as you can see, both IMEI numbers assigned to your device for both SIM cards are included here. Click on OK to go back, and now we will open both IMEI and also serial number through the settings. So at first let's open the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom of the list and go to the About phone. Now, under Status, you will be able to locate both IMEI numbers under IMEI information, and then a bit lower, here is your serial number. So that would be all. This is how you can quickly, smoothly and easily locate both unique numbers. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.